There is endless numbers of ways to cook cauliflower. You can boil, bake, steam, roast or even fry it. For me, the best way to eat cauliflower is in the Indian curry. If you think it's very difficult to make Indian food at home, I will prove you wrong in this recipe, which is only 30 minutes in cooking time. So today we are making Indian-style cauliflower curry, which could become your main dish or side dish. You can find a list of ingredients in description of this video. Step number 1. Pre-cut all the vegetables and herbs: cauliflower, sweet potatoes, onions, jalapeno and cilantro. Heat up oil. Add cumin and mustard seeds. Fry until you start feeling the fragrance and then add bay leaves. Step number 2. Add chopped onions and jalapeno and sauté until the onions will turn a nice golden color. Then add ginger garlic paste and cilantro. Step number 3. Add diced tomatoes, garam masala, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt and red curry paste. Sauté for about 5 minutes. Step number 4. Add cauliflower, sweet potatoes, 1 cup of water, and 1 can of coconut milk. Leave it on the medium for about 15 to 20 minutes or until vegetables become tender. When dish is ready, you can put some cilantro on top. As an alternative, you can use it as a side dish with some protein. I end up making tandoori seasoning sea bass in sous vide, which is super simple. If you want to know more about sous vide cooking, subscribe to my channel. I will have it covered in my next episodes. Please leave comments if you like my video. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon.